Hi, good morning. I'm Daniela Captariu, broker real estate with Keller Williams Brokerage. Buyers hear a lot of confusing advice about mortgages. So today I'm here with mortgage broker Ron Sidhart, and we are doing a quick rapid fire questions to clear things up. This score is actually good enough to qualify for a mortgage.
Credit score. So credit score, I mean, it does not need to be very good. Typically, what we say is like you need to have a workable credit score. It doesn't need to be perfect credit score. Typically, lenders expect, credit scores, anything above 650 is considered to be really very good. Typically, in a case of a couple, at least one person should ideally have a credit score of above 600. If the other person's credit score is lower, it does not really matter that much. So 600, 650, those are good credit scores to be in, and you can go above that. Anything in the 500 range, yes, then things become they're still doable. 100% we can do it, but you'll have to work with lenders who are okay with that.
So basically, if someone credit score is around 600, is buying it still possible as long as there is a partner that has higher score?
Yes, in most cases, even if that person is, let's say, single, right? In a lot of cases, 600 plus credit scores can be approvable as long as the rest of the application is very, very strong. But in the case of one person around 600 and the other person above 650, 670 something, right? Then it's easy to get approved in most cases, like especially in short mortgages with less than 20% down.
Okay, so buyers really don't need the perfect credit to get approved for a mortgage.
No, not necessary. Perfect credit scores are good. Like I said, right? Like typically, as long as the lender see that the credit score is above 650, it is the same for in most cases. Like above 680 and above makes no difference. If you're 750, 760, people expect that it needs to be around that. It doesn't really matter. It adds a little bit of weight depending on like multiple factors. But credit score is just one input that goes into the mortgage file.
When someone applies, how long does the mortgage approval usually take?
Oh, that's a good question, and it typically varies. But in most cases, right, as long as like we've done a lot of the clients have done some work before in getting their documents and everything in order, and if the file is pretty straightforward, they have the numbers and all worked out, things can happen within a few days. Actually, it doesn't really take. In some cases, we can even do it, get the approval within a day. But in most cases, it's not more than like a few days, like 2 or 3 at best, 4 days. We do mortgages all the time for financing conditions, right? So they are like 3 business days, 4 business days. It's easily doable.